Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Wizard. So in this tutorial, we want to use the image tool, which is the image generate image tool, and then we are going to use the option that's the photo option. Okay, previously Wizard gives us the option um to select from or to generate images without using prompts. Now they've given us the option to use prompt to generate our own images. So let's say I want a kid on a tricycle. Tricycle. So let's hope we get the exact image we want. Certainly, it's going to give us some options to select from, and then it gives us the ability to regenerate or try again, as you see here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So let's say, okay, so I think let's go by with this one. So I think I like this one. Okay, so I think I like this one, even though you can see there are some issues with the fingers. I think it's still being developed. So yeah. Then let's see what we can do here. Let's say we just want to add a form. You can decide to use any tool that you want. So let's say we want to add a form. So I want to add a form somewhere here. Or you want to center it, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. So basically, there's something that you can just work around using Wizard. Okay, so thank you.